going, guys? This is day 2 of our adventure. Yesterday we drove most of the day. Get up to this spot. Got a couple of things to go over with you guys. As always, if you're new to the channel, I have a bunch of build playlists that I set up. They're in chronological order for all of the weird and unique vehicle builds and transportation builds that I do on this channel. And then in the Adventures with Abel or Adventures with Overkill series, I give you some feedback on some of the modifications that we've done. So that's going to be this part of the video. Absolutely love the Megamoto 212 with these Sun F tires. This build turned out really good. I really enjoy this little bike. It is so handy to have out here on the trails to be able to scope out new spots. A couple of upcoming modifications. As you'll notice, these peg stems are tiny. I think I'm going to cut those off and weld some tubing on that's about the same size as that, and then I'll re-weld this onto that end of the tubing. That way they don't bend so easy when you hit rocks and whatnot. I hit a couple rocks yesterday and bent them pretty good. They bend right back, but this one's way out of whack. But so far that's like one of the only things that I've noticed. Bike is running great. It grabs plenty of solar, and the new charging system that's on it can keep up with whatever you throw at it. So those Honda coils that I used, they worked out great. One other thing I wanted to share with you guys is the new helmet setup. Okay, so I've got my LS2 Assault helmet, and I still need to improve upon this a little bit, but I got a chin mount on it from chinmounts.com, and I need to get a straight adapter because the way I have it set up now, I've got 2 adapters to get this set up at the correct angle. If you use one of those long arm adapters on this, you can't tilt the GoPro back far enough to get a good view, and in yesterday's footage you may have noticed that. The other thing that we have going on here is I took the microphone, the GoPro microphone kit, and I ran a microphone inside the helmet, and I placed the microphone right at the ear. The reason for that is because there's a Cena in there. So now, hopefully, in the footage from this video, you'll be able to see and hear any communications we have in the Cena, and hear my voice as well. And there's less wind noise. The one other addition that I made was Break Free sent me a nice little add-on here, which will come in handy not only on the trails when we're decelerating, but when we're on the swart pile and out on the main roads. This makes the helmet really visible. So yeah, those are kind of the updates on that. But as far as today goes, I think we're going to do a little bit more exploring on the mini bikes. Chad actually has 2 mini bikes here, but one of them is not working. We're not able to get it started. We messed with it yesterday for about 4 hours. The only other thing we can think of is changing out the spark plug, so you might be able to see Chad over there. He's just waking up, so yeah. Guys, here we go. Going on a little group ride.
Follow you, Sean.
Okay. Well, let's see if we can get down to the old reservoir here. We got everybody behind us?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's a hooligan.
This road sucks on the way down, but we're gonna do it. Quad burner road.
I'll make you down there.
Yeah.
Maybe. If I don't kill myself.
We're moving now.
Can't wait till I get new tires when I'm gonna feel like totally different me. Oh, keep it! Woo!
These things are way too much